Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can also fix problem when you just try to follow someone on Instagram and you just receive error. So how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, you just need, first thing you need to know that it may be just temporary block from Instagram, so you need to wait some time until Instagram unblocks these actions for you. So another thing you can also just try, so it's when you just have problems with your internet connection, so you can also just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to restore phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power phone again. So just simple restore phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just right here Instagram, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.